Okay, welcome guys to another episode, and today we'll be looking at Autodesk. We're basically going to be working on the outline of this particular image. Um, for those new to Autodesk, I'll just briefly explain. This is the original image and we just created a new layer. We'll then reduce the opacity of the original image to about 50, but something really visible for you to see. Then we head up to our tool above here, as you can see, and next is to change our color, and now I'm using black as my color. Then I'll increase or reduce the hardness of the brush by just moving this up or down. Then same thing with the opacity. What I need to do is just move the other one down or upwards. Well, your Autodesk might not look this way, and it's basically because I set mine to be this way. So I'm leaving my brush hardness to be around 1.5, and as you can see, I'm just moving around more like tracing, and that's basically what you should be doing. But for this particular image, the hardness is too light. I would need to increase it. Around 6.2 would be okay, and always try to test your brush hardness before you go in. And one more thing is to be on your right layer. So we move on to sketching or tracing the nose first. When you're tracing, you don't need to trace all the parts together. Try and make it into different parts, like I'll show you in the tutorial. I'm actually trying as much as possible not to make silly mistakes, and for your tutorial you might have to trace a part 3 or 4 times or even more, but it's okay. You might just go back like I just did here. Maybe you have a slight mistake and you just need to clear it up. You just go back with the icon above here, then you continue with your sketch or your trace. And what I mostly do most times is to reduce the thickness of my brush and sometimes increase it, like you can see in this part here. So now that we understood every particular thing I've said, I think it's best to just speed things a little bit. So I'm going to be using my speed ramp now, so it doesn't make the video look really long. For this part, I actually skipped the vital thing which should be included, and these are actually giving details to your work, like I'm doing now, giving details to my eyebrows, making sure you understand that, oh, this is the eyebrows. There are some vital parts of the body too you need to give details to, and for that you just need to reduce the hardness of your brush or the thickness of your brush.